Hello my friends, welcome to my new Android app videos. Today with another application, but all that after this short break. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more and more videos. There's a huge number of free to-do list apps on Google Play, but very few that stand out. Microsoft To Do is one that manages to rise above the rest though. The company aims to make this better than Wunderlist, which it also owns, and it has arguably achieved that. If not, it's certainly close. It took a while to reach this point, but now Microsoft To Do offers a polished, pretty interface that's easy to navigate and feature-packed. What sort of features, you ask? You can choose from numerous different sorting options for each list, decide whether or not to hide completed entries, tag important items as, well, important, customize the color scheme of each list individually, collaborate on lists, and more. If that's enough to tempt you away from Wunderlist, making the switch is painless as there's the option to import your Wunderlist content. That's all for today my friends. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.